Now I've got a little less is more kind of approach, so it's a credit system, and you may have seen my golden rules video on my YouTube channel, but if you haven't, the credit system is usually a 2-to-1 work-rest ratio, and it varies for each individual, but if your energy is really low, a great little technique is the credit system. So let's just say you're awake for 2 hours of that day, and in that 2 hours, in the first hour, you go and see a friend, or a friend comes and sees you, and then the second hour you're doing house chores, and all of a sudden you're completely exhausted and you sleep the rest of the day. The credit system would work like this. If you were to see your friend for the first hour, the second hour would be rest. That's a 1-to-1 rest-work ratio. If you were feeling really bad, it might be better that you have a 3-to-1 rest-work ratio. So you might rest for 3 hours and then 1 hour of output. And as you get healthier, obviously you can do the opposite. You'll only need to rest 1 hour for the 3 hours of output. So again, as you feel healthier, you can use that to build your blocks, and as your immune system gets stronger, you can flip that around quite quickly and sensibly as your health maintains. And that's the whole goal, is to get your health maintaining so you can keep building the blocks and improving from there.